welcome back to another vlog with Elizabeth. So today, I got asked by a friend to do walking in the rain. And actually there's another YouTuber right there. Miss Keisha, go subscribe to him. Go subscribe. I said that, so yeah. I'm on the bus. And I will do a video that is a clip that is real fast about the road, and like it's been raining since 11 o'clock today, so yeah. Guys, like it is raining.
What?
Like crazy.
Oh, hi.
I don't. Like we got tons of rain, like crazy. I don't know if you can see that, but this is crazy. It's been like this for a while. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. I know it was a short video, but like, that's all. So, like, bye.